viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, welcome to my channel Crypto Wallet Info. In this video, we are going to discuss about how we can take the backup of your OKX wallet. Yes, sometimes you misplace your wallet or sometimes forget your seed phrases. So how can you take the backup again from your OKX wallet? Yes, this is possible. If you need to again backup your wallet, so you please you must watch this video till end. This video is going to very informative for you. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallet Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So viewers, please touch with us if you need to get more information about OKX wallet. This is non-custodial wallet. If you have seed phrases, then you can easily recover your account. If you have not your seed phrases, means you can't do anything on your wallet. So this is not a centralized exchange. This is a decentralized app, and if you have phrases, then you can do anything on your wallet, means you can perform any activity on your wallet. If you have not, so viewers, you can't do this anything. So please keep in your mind, when you're going to create account, you must save your seed phrases. Okay, so now let's start. We are going to open our account, and after that we will get the all phrases of our account. Let's suppose I misplaced my seed phrases and I need to get back, or this time I access my account. So also keep in your mind, if you have not password of your account, you can't get back your seed phrases. You must remember your password. Okay, you must write your phrases on your personal diary, and also save your phrases in printout. So keep in your mind. Okay, so simple click on unlock. If my password is correct, then my wallet will be open in front of me. So let's start. If we need to find the or get backup of our seed phrases, so what will I do? Simple is that there is option available here, setting option. Setting option. The first option is setting. So I'm just simple click on it, and now the first option is check seed phrases. So if you need to get the backup of seed phrases, so simple is that you just click on this option. Now I have created only one wallet number A. So if I need to find this wallet address, so just simple click on it. If you have already created multiple wallets, so you can find the multiple seed phrases. So in coming videos, I will give you information how to find how you create a multiple wallet. But this time I just find of over one wallet seed phrases. So simple is that I just simple click on it. And now I need to enter my password here if I want to find the seed phrases. Okay, so keep in your mind, I'm going to enter my password. If I have not my password, then I can't get back my seed phrases. Okay, so keep in your mind, again when you are going to apply your password, you must write your password on your personal diary, or you can make a notepad file and save in other USB. So when you want, so you can easily find your password. Okay, if you forget it. Okay, otherwise no chance here if you have not your phrases. So in coming videos I will give you also information how can you find your seed phrases with your find your research your password with your seed phrases. Okay, in coming videos. So simple click on confirm button. Now note down seed phrases. You can write down the word in order and keep them stored safely. Already I told you about your seed phrases. Please write down in order and keep them to store safely, otherwise you can't recover your wallet. View the seed phrases. Make sure no one is looking your screen. Yes, I'm alone in this room, so I just going to click on this option. Okay, now my seed phrase is open in front of me. I'm going to now open notepad file for the write all my seed phrases. You can write down the word in order and keep them stored safely. I have already opened my notepad file where I have saved my all wallet addresses. So I'm going to type all phrases on my same notepad file. So just simple, going to here and split this my notepad file and type here seed phrases. Okay, now type here, going to down sometime. Now type number one, follow, second, third, I think all phrases is correct. Before going to save this file, I must cross check all phrases correct, spelling correct or not. Otherwise, you can't recover your wallet. Okay, battery RAY ACP ECT GREAT RITU AL FIFT NESS, sorry, NE fit. I think that I have made mistake, fitness and whole notice. Where I have type all my phrases on my notepad file, and also keep in your mind, please don't use these phrases your personal use, otherwise your fund will be lost, because this video is only for education purpose. Okay, so after I will give you information, I will delete this wallet. So maybe some user will be use these phrases for personal use. So please keep in your mind, your fund will be lost. So I have type all my phrases, and I will check one by one all spelling is correct or not, because this is necessary for me. Interest, INTREST, interest, remove, REMO, remove, custom, BETRAY ACPECT, great. Means I think my all phrases is correct. Now I'm going to save this file on my system, and also write all phrases in my personal diary, and also I will print out this notepad file or make the multiple copy, because sometimes I need to recover my wallet. So that time I will use these phrases for my wallet recovery. So guys, I hope you properly understand how can you find the wallet address, sorry, seed phrases from your wallet. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get the same information in Urdu language, then you can join mother channel Best Cryptocurrency Wallet. So also you can, if you face any problem regarding deposit, withdrawal, fund, private key, you can comment below this video. You can mail to my email address. So meet with you in new video. Bye bye.